mechanisms of animals: filter feeder, fluid feeder, substrate feeder, bulk feeder. Filter feeders stain suspended food particles from surrounding watery medium. They use several mechanisms: capturing, trapping. Example: clams, oysters. Feed on the small piece of food in the water. They pass over the gills. Cilia in the gills sweep food particles to animal's mouth into film of mucus. Fluid feeders suck nutrient-rich fluid from living host using well-adapted mouthparts. Mosquitoes suck human blood. Aphids suck phloem sap of plants. Bees, hummingbirds suck honey from flowers. Substrate feeders. Animals live inside the food source or on the food source, eating its way through the food. The leaf miner caterpillar eating through the soft tissue of a leaf. Maggots, fly larvae that burrow into animal carcasses. Cracasses. Bulk feeders, animals which eat comparatively large pieces of food. These animals have different types of adaptations to tear the food or to capture the prey. Examples: jaws, teeth, tentacles, claws, poisonous fangs. Most animals, including human, the bulk feeder.